Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and install your water filter. Now, to remove and reinstall your water filter, it's actually very easy to do and does not require any special tools. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. So the main reason you'll be looking at removing and reinstalling your water filter is just over time, through normal consumption of water from your dispenser, it's going to cause that filter to start to build up with particles. That's going to start restricting flow and quality of the water. So you're going to want to replace it on a regular basis. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, turn off the water supply to the refrigerator that feeds your dispensers and your ice maker. To remove the old water filter, open the compartment door by depressing the tab and lowering the door. To detach the filter, carefully rotate it counterclockwise by about a quarter of a turn until it loosens. For installing a new filter, insert the filter into the filter head and gently turn it clockwise by about a quarter of a turn until you sense the filter is securely locking into place. Reattach the filter cover and shelf. So the next thing you're going to want to do is, of course, just turn your water supply back on and then have a couple of glasses so that you can purge any air that's in the system from having changed that filter. So to bleed the air, we simply need a couple of glasses, and we're just going to run some water, and you'll see that that air comes through. One of the indications you haven't gotten all the air out is that sometimes this will continue to drip even after you've taken the glass away. Some water will still be trickling out. That's a sign there's still air in the system, and you just need to run another glass of water through. And it's just that easy to change the water filter.